Next meal, we have turkey ragu spaghetti, and we got our recipe card with all of the instructions. So let's get to this meal. So this is turkey ragu spaghetti with zucchini and parmigiano spaghetti, obviously, tomato sauce, tomato paste, Tuscan heat spice. That's gonna be spicy. Cream cheese, chicken stock, and a few more things like Tuscan spice, garlic powder, and sour cream. And we have ground turkey. We have all the ingredients here, and we have option to substitute turkey with ground beef. Whichever you like, you can switch it off. So that's nice. You obviously have a picture of what you're about to make, so you can have a visual. Step number 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Gonna get ready for this. Tip: cover the pot with lid to bring water to a boil and more quickly. Meanwhile, wash and dry produce, trim zucchinis, grate on the largest holes of the box grater. Step number 2, once water is boiling, add spaghetti to pot. Cook, stirring occasionally until al dente, 9 to 11 minutes. Then we'll have to reserve 3/4 of cooking water. Next, heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan oven, medium-high heat. Add turkey, Tuscan heat spice, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. To our turkey, we add the Tuscan spice and garlic powder. Now that's nice and mixed in. Now we need to add the zucchini. Next is marinara sauce, plus some water that we reserved from pasta. Simmer for a minute or two until it thickens up, and then we'll have to reduce heat to medium-low. Stir in cream cheese and half of the Parmesan plus a tablespoon of butter. And my turkey ragu spaghetti is done. Let's give it a try. There must be oregano in there. Must be in the Tuscan heat spices. I taste oregano, just makes it perfect. I love it, love it. Not a big fan of zucchini, but it blended in very well. It doesn't have that mushy zucchini texture, so it blended in very well. Love it. It makes a perfect combination. I don't know if I would like it with beef. Beef is another option instead of turkey. I don't think it would go well with this whole combination. Love it, recommend. Try HelloFresh.